Hey everyone, Dr. Nuesse from EasyDotPhysicals.com back again with another video. This is another update video in what I've been calling the ongoing saga that is the federal government's attempt to move marijuana from a Schedule I substance to a Schedule III substance. It's been going on seemingly forever at this point, but we have some new information, some new updates, so I wanted to make an update video. All right, so before I get to the actual update, the actual dates that we are talking about, just a housekeeping item, and that is our masterclass that teaches people how to be best prepared to pass a drug screen if you are concerned about marijuana specifically is now completely 100% free if you use Exploro home drug tests. All of that information will be in the description box below. All right, so on to the update and two dates when things are actually going to happen. Maybe I shouldn't say actually. With the federal government, you never know. Supposedly, maybe is the right word. We were actually supposed to have a hearing a couple days ago as of the posting of this video. That got moved back. But these do seem like pretty firm dates. The judge made it pretty clear that these are going to be the dates. So I'm expecting this to be accurate. Here's the update. So we have a new date set for the hearing on the proposed rule moving marijuana from Schedule I to Schedule III. And this follows what they called a preliminary hearing on December 2nd, which was this past Monday, which was available online. I watched a portion of it and I am super disappointed that I did. I got bored in about 15 minutes. It was just legal talk back and forth between whoever was talking and the judge. Just more bureaucratic nonsense, waste of everybody's time. We knew this wasn't going to amount to anything because this was actually supposed to be the hearing date. The starting hearing date was December 2nd, but they couldn't present testimony on that date because of a filing error, because the paperwork wasn't filed correctly. I did a full update on this a couple videos back, but because they didn't get the paperwork in correctly, they had to move the actual hearing date back, and we have a date for that now. But December 2nd was supposed to be that date. So what happened on December 2nd was basically nothing. They just kept the date just because they had it already on the schedule, I suppose. So what happened after this hearing is new dates were set. So the government now has until December 13th. This is a firm stop, so says the judge, to furnish all of the required documents that are filed correctly. And the judge made it very clear that this is the firm date. He wrote it in all caps. So December 13th is when all of the documents have to be in. And the next date is the actual hearing date, the official hearing date when testimony can be presented, and that starts on January 21st, 2025. So this is when the hearing, including the testimony, will begin, and it will start with testimony from supporters of this proposed rule. So people that think that marijuana should be moved from Schedule I to Schedule III. And then after that, the opponents, people that think it should not be moved out of a Schedule I substance, will have their chance to present testimony. And a full list daily of the events of this testimony was posted, and I will put that up on the screen here so you can see that it starts on January 21st, 2025 with the government presenting whatever testimony they're going to present, and then on the 22nd, Hemp for Victory presents, the 23rd, Cannabis Bioscience International Holdings, and then on and on and on. And this goes all the way until March 6th. So this hearing is going to take about a month and a half to complete. So as expected, nothing is quick with the government. They move like a glacier. But that's the update. So the testimony, the hearing will start on January 21st and it's supposed to conclude on March 6th. I will be back with more updates as soon as they come out. Stay subscribed here. And until next time, everybody, stay safe.